Hi, Michael Dresdner here to talk about pore filling on the lathe using GluBoost Fill and Finish. Today we'll look at open pore wood turned between centers, in other words, spindles. This spindle is made from extremely porous Philippine mahogany, so we're starting with thick fill and finish to fill the pores. With the lathe running at its slowest speed, apply the fill and finish either directly onto the wood or onto an application pad. Spread it evenly, adding more fill and finish as needed. When it looks uniform, cure it with a light spray of GluDry.